So question 8 offers us a mass density volume question. We've got a cuboid, we've been given the density and we've been given the volume. So we need to change that mass density volume formula around so that the mass is the subject. We know that density is equal to the mass divided by the volume. Therefore, the mass is equal to the density multiplied by the volume. So the answer we need, which is the mass, is equal to the density. Now we've just got to check units here. Just make sure we've got consistent units. Yes, we have. We've got grams and centimeters. So the mass is equal to 9, the density, multiplied by the volume, which is 72, which is 648. Now the mass, because we've been given these units, will be in grams. And that is the answer.